Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A good night's sleep can make or break your camping experience, and that all starts with the right sleeping bag. Whether you're braving cold mountain nights or enjoying summer under the stars, the right sleeping bag keeps you warm, comfortable, and ready for the next day's adventure. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best camping sleeping bags you can get right now. From ultralight backpacking models to cozy cold weather options, we've picked the top bags for every type of camper and climate. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and details. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our outdoor gear guides. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Nemo Equipment Disco Sleeping Bag. This sleeping bag boasts a classic spoon shape, a thoughtful design that provides extra room at the elbows and knees, ensuring versatile comfort for various sleeping positions. The updated thermo-gill vents take temperature regulation to the next level with their multi-stage zipper system, allowing for fine-tuned control and extending the bag's comfort range in varying conditions. For added coziness, the updated blanket fold design offers a luxurious, oversized draft collar. This feature effectively blocks cold air from entering the bag or can be folded down to release excess warmth when needed. Demonstrating a commitment to sustainability, Nemo takes full responsibility for all Endless Promise products, aiming for 100% recyclability from production to the end of the product's life, actively working to minimize landfill waste. Inside, you'll find the premium warmth of 650 FP hydrophobic, PFAS-free, RDS Certified Down. This ensures excellent insulation even in damp conditions, and the Responsible Down Standard, RDS, certification guarantees that the down and feathers used come from farms adhering to stringent animal welfare requirements. This sleeping bag offers both exceptional comfort and a conscious approach to the environment. Number 4. Therm-a-Rest Boost Sleeping Bag. Crafted from 100% recycled nylon, this imported Boost 650 sleeping bag is designed with inclusivity in mind, catering to all body shapes and sizes for an ultra-comfortable backpacking experience. The innovative WarmZip tech, a patent-pending center zipper, offers a unique advantage by allowing you to reduce the bag's internal space and effectively tuck insulation around your body. This clever design can boost warmth by up to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, 6 degrees Celsius, providing adaptable comfort in varying temperatures. Recognizing the diverse needs of sleepers, this bag features an inclusive size range, including wide options for every length. Combined with the centered WarmZip zipper, it offers enhanced comfort for individuals with broad shoulders, active sleepers who toss and turn, and anyone seeking more room than a traditional mummy bag provides. Adding to its versatility, multi-use armholes make it easy to perform tasks like adjusting the WarmZip, reading, preparing coffee, or playing cards without compromising warmth or letting in the cold. Filled with 650 fill, RDS Certified Down, this sleeping bag ensures excellent insulation. The down is also treated to be hydrophobic, helping to keep you dry in damp conditions. The strategic allocation of down to key areas maximizes heat efficiency and overall comfort, making this a thoughtfully designed and exceptionally comfortable choice for your backpacking adventures. Number 3. Big Agnes Eco Park Sleeping Bag. Experience deluxe camping with the Eco Park series, designed for spacious comfort, ideal for car camping or cozy nights indoors. Enjoy crazy comfort with the Big Agnes padlock design, pairing seamlessly with your pad, sold separately, via the cinch pad sleeve to prevent roll-off. Stay cozy and warm with top corner hand pockets, an oversized draft collar, and a free-range hood. The pillow barn keeps your pillows secure. Features include double zippers for venting and mating, an internal stash pocket, and storage sacks. Crafted with recycled Fireline Max Eco insulation and a soft, quiet lining, it's luxurious sleep redefined. Number 2. Therm-a-Rest Hyperion Sleeping Bag. This ultralight, 20-degree mummy bag is a backpacker's dream. Made of 100% nylon ripstop and using 900 fill Nikwax hydrophobic down, it stays dry and lofty way longer than regular down. At just 19 ounces and packing down to a tiny 6 by 8 inches, for the small size, you'll barely notice it in your pack. The box baffle construction eliminates cold spots, and the ergonomic shape with a longer zipper ensures a comfortable night's sleep. Plus, the Synergy Link connectors let you attach it to your sleeping pad, preventing any slipping. If you're under 5'6", the small size is perfect. It even comes with a storage sack and a compression stuff sack. For 3-season adventures where every ounce counts, this bag is a serious contender. Number 1. Kelty Cosmic 20-Degree Down Sleeping Bag. The Kelty Women's Cosmic 20-Degree Sleeping Bag is your ideal companion for 3-season backpacking and camping, offering an exceptional blend of value and comfort. Expertly crafted from durable nylon, it's either made in the USA or imported. Kelty's women-specific design closely follows a woman's contours, maximizing thermal efficiency by being narrower at the shoulders and roomier at the hips, with extra insulation in the midsection and foot areas where heat loss is common. Insulated with premium 600 fill water-resistant dry-down, it provides superior heat retention, excellent compressibility, and an incredibly soft feel, ensuring the best warmth-to-weight ratio. A protective draft tube behind the 60-inch two-way locking anti-snag zipper and an insulated hood further enhance its thermal efficiency, keeping you cozy all night long. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.